Jai Shri Krishna everyone. Hope you all are doing good, staying safe and staying happy. Welcome back on Spices and More. Janmashtami is just round the corner, so I thought of sharing with you one yummy and creamy flattened rice or poha kheer recipe. This is very easy kheer recipe and I'm sure you're going to love it. So let's start with the process. For that I've heated a pan and I'll be adding in little water. I'm adding water over here so that the milk doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan, and this is also a very great tip for you. And then I added 1 liter full fat milk. Please avoid using low fat milk. In this recipe we need only full fat milk, and keep on stirring once you see the boil, as well as keep on scraping the sides. Now I'll be adding in Amul Khoa or Mawa. You can use fresh Khoa or Mawa if you get. This is about 200 gram, but in this recipe I'm going to use only 100 grams. And don't worry about the lumps. The lumps will disappear or dissolve into this milk. And now keep on stirring. Keep the flame on low to medium in the entire process. And you will see in 5 minutes the mawa will dissolve completely into the milk. When you are stirring, please remember to scrape the sides as well. And once the mawa dissolves, here I will be adding 1/4 cup of flattened rice or poha. I have washed and soaked this rice into the water, discarded the water, and now added it into this milk. This will also help for the milk to thicken out and make it more creamy and rich in flavor. Again, stir it continuously. Adding mawa and this flattened rice or poha will help the milk to reduce faster. Now as you can see, the milk is continuously boiling and reducing, and at this point I'll be adding in kesar strands or the saffron strands. This will give nice yellow color and texture to this kheer. The milk have already started to reduce, as you can see in this video. The milk has become thick. At this point I'll be adding in mixed nuts. So here I have taken cashew nuts, almonds and pistachios, and this is about 1/4 cup. You can add any nuts of your choice. Again give it a mix and let it boil further. Adding all these ingredients will give it a rubbery like texture and flavor. Now I'll be adding in 1/2 cup of sugar. You can increase the quantity of sugar as per your requirement and as per the sweetness you prefer. Again keep on stirring. The milk has almost reduced to half. And lastly, I'll be adding in cardamom powder. This is about 1/2 teaspoon, and this will take the flavor of this kheer to the next level. So please don't skip it. Give it a mix. And our flattened rice kheer is ready to be served. I need this much texture of this kheer. As it cools down, it will become more thicker and more creamier. All the list of ingredients used in this recipe is mentioned in the description box below. You can check it out from there. I hope you like today's recipe. Please try out this Janmashtami. Serve this kheer with lots of love and devotion to Lord Krishna. Enjoy it with your family and friends. Let me know your review in a comment section below. Hit that like button if you like today's recipe. Share it with your loved ones and please consider subscribing. See you in my next interesting videos. Take care and Jai Shri Krishna to everyone.